To learn the moss stitch, you'll first need to have an even amount of chains. And for this example, I have chained 18. Once you've done that, you're going to want to find the 4th chain from your hook and do 1 single crochet. And then we want to chain 1 and skip 1 chain and work another single crochet into the next chain. We're going to chain again, skip 1 chain, work into the next chain. We're going to continue repeating that across the row, ending with a single crochet. Then we're going to chain 2 and flip our work over. And now we will be working in these chain 1 spaces from the previous row. We'll be repeating the same thing. We'll be doing a single crochet in those chain 1 spaces, and then chaining 1, and then working a single crochet into the next chain 1 space, and chaining again, and continuing on. When you get to the end of that row, just work your way up for practice. This is a very simple stitch and it can make a beautiful scarf or blanket. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications so that you can be updated when I release my next video. Have a great day.